My girl came through today and her roots was looking crazy with all them grays. I told her, girl, let me hook you up with this shampoo thing I've been wanting to test. She was down, so I put it on her dry hair, massaged it in real good, and let it do its thing. After I rinsed it, not one gray in sight. This thing covered everything and her hair's still soft too. I'm not gonna lie, I was shocked because I didn't think it was really gonna work like that. But look at this coverage though. Y'all need to get one of these for real.